These 3 foods are awesome for your immune system, and you absolutely should be eating them because did you realize 70% of your immune system lives in your gut? Yeah. So the food you eat either helps you or it doesn't. Before I tell you those 3 foods, though, I just want to explain super quickly about why food is medicine. Yeah, it's because most of your immune system, more than half, is located in your gut. But what does that mean? It means the bacteria in your bod that's good for you and keeps you healthy is primarily in your belly. So you're either helping it do its thing or you're sabotaging it from the inside out. It's kind of hard to think about that reality, isn't it? But it's why food is so important to our health. So these 3 foods that I'm going to share with you are amazing immunity boosters. Ready? The first one is citrus fruits. I'm talking grapefruit, oranges, lemons, limes. You know what a citrus fruit is, but never really think to snack on them. Hey, if you're getting your vitamin C from a gummy vitamin, I need you to do me a huge favor and see if you can get it from the real source. How about a juice? Fresh pressed. Because first of all, that gummy is mostly sugar and artificial ingredients. And second of all, what better place to get vitamin C from the actual fruit or juice of a fruit? If you're not a fruit eater, like I said, get a citrus juice. And of course you can level up and add a drop of lemon or lime essential oil into your water or smoothie or whatever you're eating to get that vitamin C in. The second immune boosting food is broccoli. I friggin' love broccoli. It's packed with antioxidants, fibers, and tons of essential vitamins and minerals. It's super versatile. You can eat it raw, you can saute it, you can roast it, you can bake it, or keep it super simple and steam it with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and pepper on it. Or use a vegan cheese alternative. The third immune boosting food is ginger. The very last food that's awesome for your immune system and is like medicine for your body literally is ginger. I don't know how many of you eat ginger raw. I do, which you can, of course you can, but you can also add ginger to whatever you're eating. Grate a little bit on a roasted vegetables or add it to a sauce. One of my favorite ways to get ginger into my body is actually, again, through juice. And sometimes I'll add a drop of ginger essential oil too, because super spicy. Anyway, here's why ginger is good for you. Ginger is a natural reducer of inflammation. So if you're in pain, feeling nauseated, or just off, ginger will treat that. So for example, if you have a sore throat or a cold, drink some ginger lemon water. Gargle it. It's guaranteed to help. Between these 3 foods, you are getting your vitamin C, your fiber, your essential vitamins, your minerals, your antioxidants, and you're reducing inflammation. Sounds awesome, right? Okay, now, if you check the description, there's a link where you can download my starter grocery list that includes these superfoods plus tons more that are healthy for you. Grab it at HaleyHobson.com/starter shopping list. Now, leave a comment and let me know what your favorite immune boosting food is. And I hope that you'll give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss an episode. All right, my friends, I will see you online.